Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel More Than Just Flips. For those of you who are new, thank you. And for those of you who are returning, I appreciate you guys. Today in this third video, we're going to be finally putting all of my winter decor items together. So that's the front porch, that's the living room, the kitchen. You saw me pull all my plants in from the inside to get ready for the winter. I went ahead and put together basically all my floral designs and stuff, and I did that in a previous video, so go and check out my previous video where I create all of my winter designs, my lanterns, everything. So go and check that video out. And now let's go ahead and put all of this stuff together. Here we go. I really love the way all my lanterns turned out. I normally love to pull everything out and redo these lanterns every season, and I like the way they turn out every season, but this by far, my winter lanterns, I think they took the cake. I love the way they turned out. As y'all know from my previous videos, of course, I had to clean these shelves off before I got an opportunity to decorate them. And of course, I said a cuss word, but you have to do it. You have to clear it off and make sure it's clean. And then I went ahead and started putting all my winter decor items in place. Every now and again, I like to put a little bit of brown sugar in my coffee. I use the monk fruit brown sugar. Sometimes it tends to taste a little better, so I know that's a little different from the rest of y'all, but drop me a line in the comments and tell me what are some of the things that you guys like to put in your coffee in the morning. Drop me a comment. How much do I love this lantern that's going on my table and this deer. I bought both of these from the Dollar Tree. The deer was $3 and I just painted it gold, the color that I wanted. And the lantern you see there in the background, it was $3. And then the little candle that's in the lantern was $1.25. So man, don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. They have so many things that you can buy, that you can use for your decorations, and you don't have to pay a lot for them. And if you want to change the color, just spray paint them. these winter prints. I got these prints from Kirkland's, I would say about 2 years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, and they were buy one, get the second one half price, something like that. But they're actually trees, is what they are. And I think they just look perfect if you're changing out your prints for winter like I do, because I change everything out. So when spring comes, I'll take these down and I'll change them again. But I love these and I love the way they look on each side of the television. I've tried the messy throw thing. My OCD just won't let me do it. I just can't do it. I tried it. My dog was even like, this is not going to stay like this. But I tried to see if I could kind of make it a little bit neater and, see if I like the way it looks. It's not for me. Even my dog was like, that is not going to stay. So that's not going to stay. So here we are. We are all finished in the inside of the house. So I think I did enough winter in here to make it look cozy without it being overboard. Just adding the candle and then adding the pillow in the basket in my entryway. Coming inside of my kitchen and just adding winter decor to my coffee bar, I think was just enough for my kitchen area. And I do like the way all of these turned out. Coming over to my table in my dining room again, just doing a little something, not trying to go too overboard, but giving it just enough where it looks like winter. So now that I really see it and I looked it over and I really like the way that everything turned out, coming into my living room, of course, all of those are pillow covers. I do not purchase pillows. I just purchase pillow covers. So all of those are pillow covers I got from Amazon. Of course, my winter prints that I got from Kirkland's, and then everything that's on my fireplace mantle came from the Dollar Tree. So I like the way the inside has come out. I love the way it looks. And you guys keep enjoying seeing the reveal on the inside, and then we're going to go to the outside. And here is the outside. Like I told y'all, the lanterns that I put together, I really did like the way they turned out. They turned out really, really good. I love the way my urn turned out. I like the way this little seating area turned out. Once again, Those are pillow covers that I got from Amazon. And I use like little pieces of wood on the porch just to give it that winter feel. I kept my same rug that I had before. I did not change out my rug at all because that really is year round. Only thing I did was just change out my lanterns, like I said. And I love everything. There is another lantern that came from the Dollar Tree, another deer that came from the Dollar Tree. So again, don't spend a ton of money doing this stuff. Everything I put into the lanterns, they came from the dollar store. So do these things on a budget, especially if you're changing every season the way that I change every single season. So if you're doing that, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Amazon for your pillow covers, all those places will really be your friend, and you can keep using lanterns and all this stuff year after year after year, especially if they last. You can keep using them. So thank you guys for again watching this final video with me. If you are new, please like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys on the next one.